different branches of chemistry. So today we will start with nuclear chemistry. So nuclear chemistry is a branch that deals with the changes that occur in atomic nuclei. So what is atomic nuclei? As given below, this is the structure of atom, and there is shown clearly that electrons revolve around the nucleus, and the center atom that is very dense and has positive charge is the nucleus. So in nuclear chemistry we deal with all the chemical changes that occur in nucleus. What is the size and volume of nucleus, and what is its behavior toward electrons and other subatomic particles. So simply we can say that branch that deal with the changes that occur in atomic nuclei is known as nuclear chemistry. So the next one is environmental chemistry, in which we deal with the chemical and toxic substance that pollute environment and their effects on human being. So it is simple that chemical substance or the toxic substance that are present in environment, they cause pollution. It may be air, water, soil, land, whatever pollution, and that pollution cause adverse effect on human being, because when humans are exposed to pollution, they may be exposed to viral allergical infection, or they may be exposed to respiratory or may other fatal diseases. So these chemical and toxic substance have the adverse effect on human being as well. Simple is acid rain, that the emission of gases from industries, when they combine with water, rainwater, they come down in the form of acid rain, and that cause pollution, and that has adverse effect on human beings. So simple is that the environmental chemistry is the branch that deal with the toxic substance that pollute environment and cause an adverse effect on human being. So this is environmental chemistry. And the last one is analytical chemistry, in which we deal with the method and instruments for determining composition of matter. This is basically the branch in which we mostly do the laboratory work, that how different chemicals are combined to form how different elements are combined to form a new compound, what instruments are needed, what are their physical state, what should be their chemical state. So simply we can say that method and instrument. Method mean what is the way to do an experiment, and what are the instruments that are involved in that experiment, and we deal with the method and instrument for determining composition of matter. So matter is any state that may be solid, liquid, and gas. How they are combined, how they are formed, what is their composition, and their method and instrument. Each and everything is discussed in this branch of chemistry. So analytical chemistry deal with the method and instrument for determining the composition of matter. And the next important postulate is uh, John Dalton theory. As you know that theories are tentative. So John Dalton proposed a theory in 1803, and he formulated theory on existence and nature of atom. He formulated theory on existence and nature of matter, that how matter exists and what is the nature. It may be solid, liquid, and gas, and what is its nature, how its behavior, what is its behavior. So uh, John Dalton proposed this theory in 1803, and these are four his postulates. The first one is that all elements are composed of tiny particles, that is atom. Atom is a very simply we can say that every element composed of small particles, which are commonly known as atoms. And the second one is atom of a particular element or substance has same volume and same mass. It does not vary, it is identical. And the third one is atoms during chemical reaction combine with each other and they form a new substance. And fourth one is atom can neither be created nor destroyed, but it only change from one form to other form. It may be changed into elements, compound, and then change into mixture. So these are the four different postulates of Dalton atomic theory, which was proposed in 1803. So he said that elements are combined or composed of atoms, and atoms of particular substance have same mass and volume, and they combine with other atoms during a chemical reaction to form a new compound. and they neither be created nor destroy, but they change from one form to other form. So these are the postulates of John Dalton's atomic theory, which show about the existence and nature of matter. So this was our today lecture about the remaining branches of chemistry and John Dalton theory, and inshallah we'll see you in lecture number 3. Allah Hafiz.